Hi there and welcome to the UkeStuff channel. Today I have an unboxing for you of an ukulele. A couple things I want you to know. First of all, unboxings here give you a first look at an ukulele as well as me, and it also lets you know what's going to be coming down the road in reviews on this channel. So let's take a look at this instrument. This is a brand new instrument in the United States, and I haven't even seen one of these reviewed at all, and we'll talk about it in a second. So here we go. Let's open this up and let you see what is inside. Okay, lots of bubble wrap. And here is the flight box. With that, I'll do it the other way so you can see it right on camera. There it is. There's the flight box with the neat ukulele logo. All right, so opening this one. And inside, you will see, this should be a hint, double. You will see a set of stickers that Flight sends you. The Elise Eklund little pamphlet to get you going if you haven't played before. And then the ukulele. And then the other thing that should be the giveaway is this. It's a special charging cable. So it is in the Flight Deluxe gig bag. These are wonderful, and Flight is starting to sell them. I don't honestly think you'll find a much better gig bag anywhere in the market. Not only is it nice on the outside, but the inside is incredible. 3/4 inch padding and felt and foam. But here is the ukulele right here. So let's take a look at it. Now, Flight has a number of series. Their top-of-the-line series is called the Royal Series. They're made out of solid wood. They're coming out with a new model very quickly. They've announced it called the Fireball, which is made of mango. I have my Flight Spirit, which is a concert-sized ukulele that is made out of acacia. And then the next level down, and I really don't know if I call it down at all, but the next level on price point, it's a little bit down, is their Princess series. And they have solid tops and laminate back and sides. And this is one of those. So let's take a look. You've got a traditional slotted headstock, unlike the Royal series with that really awesome headstock. Not that that isn't awesome, but if you've seen the Spirit, you'll know what I'm talking about in a second here. I can actually show you because I've got the Spirit right here as well. So you've got the Flight logo with the F. That looks pretty cool. You got gold hardware. All right, as we go further down, you can see not only the ring light, but you can see the cedar top and walnut back and sides. It's a gloss walnut. You can see the pickup here. That's there. And then when I turn it this way, you can see the controls of the Soundwave. And this is the Diana. That's the name of it. It's a cedar top and a laminate walnut back and sides with Paduke binding. Looks very nice. Then it has a little bit of black, white, purfling around it. You've got a rosette with a little bit of purfling. It's really well done, but this is the concert scale. Now, if you've already seen the reviews of the Soundwave, this is just the smaller version of it, but I'm a person who enjoys playing concert. So this is really rather gorgeous of an instrument. My other cedar instrument for sure is my mainland baritone, which I love dearly. Oh, and then the other thing that this comes with, if you notice, the strings look black. Those are Worth brown strings, which would be an upgrade that a lot of people would put on their ukulele. So when you buy this at the price point, you get a bunch of features. Now, not all of them ship with the Soundwave. They also have an active pickup by double. So in the future, you'll have a choice between the Flight Soundwave Concert Diana or the Diana with the double in the sound hole active pickup. Kind of nice. So let's take a look at it and give you a first shot at what this sounds like. Now let's see how it sounds. It actually isn't that bad out of tune. So let me do that real quickly. Yeah, it's already holding, but we'll tune it again just to make sure. I think that A string is going to go in and out, and that's okay. It's, again, on a unboxing, you don't expect an instrument to stay in tune. Please remember, if you buy an ukulele, I don't care what brand it is, whatever, the first time you tune it, the first few weeks you tune it, it may not stay in tune for a while. It just takes time for the strings to stretch. The better the strings, often the quicker they stretch, but, you know, so just keep that in mind if you buy a new ukulele. So, here's what it's going to sound like. That's really nice. Yeah, I like it. Now, how about some other notes? Let me try that again. All right, now let's add some effects. I do have a couple other ukuleles with effects. I do have the Enya Nova with effects. I do have the Lava U, and at some point I will definitely do a comparison between all three of those and let you hear them. So let's do it. First thing you do is you turn on the controls and you hold down the center button for a couple seconds until the light turns green. All right, here we go. There's no effects right now. Now, if I turn up this one, let's see what this one is. That's reverb. Can you hear that? I can already tell you the effects are louder to the player than on the Enya Nova or the Lava U right off the bat. Okay, how about this one? Delay. And delay, I'm getting a little bit of feedback, so I'm going to turn that down again. It's all a matter of finding what's going to work best with the volume. And the delay, the closer you put it to off, the faster the delay is, and eventually it sounds like an echo itself. All right, turn that one down. And then this one will be chorus mode. Chorus mode puts a little bit of effect, like there are multiple players slightly off pitch with each other, like a real ukulele group. The effect of chorus is really, it's a muted effect, even on the best processors. Kind of gives it more of a shimmer, a fuller sound. Another way that I would describe it is if you play with chorus, is it feels a little bit like playing with like an 8 string because the strings aren't completely in tune with each other. And then the real secret is to mix the combination together. So here's chorus with a little bit of reverb and a little bit of delay. Yeah, kind of interesting. So that's my first look at the Flight Diana Soundwave Concert. Now, the other thing I wanted to show you really quickly is, since I've got them both here, is this is the Flight Spirit. This is the Diana Soundwave Concert. So the Soundwave does not come on the Royal line right now. It comes on the Princess line. So anyway, the message here is that Flight doesn't make ukuleles just for beginners. That's not their only market. They're really well known for their travel ukuleles. They're really known for their natural series that got them going. But when you look a little further, you can see actually the quite wonderful ukuleles that are made. And I'll be honest with you, this Spirit is, I think, the prettiest ukulele that I own. I have a Cocobolo, one of the Cocobolo ukuleles that, if anything, it's tied. I mean, this is just a gorgeous instrument, and there's like a shimmer, a flaming of the acacia both on the front and the back, depending on how it appears in the light. It's just gorgeous. And this Diana is also really attractive. Love the color of a cedar top. And here's a situation where the walnut is treated in a way, and with that gloss, that just looks wonderful, and that Padauk extra binding there just really makes it pop. So that's the first look at this instrument. I hope you're having a great day. This one will be reviewed down the road a little bit. So thanks again for watching the channel. Have a great day, and I will be back soon with some more uke stuff for you.